China says more than 1,700 doctors and health workers are sick with the coronavirus and 6 have died. It is the first time that China is releasing information on doctors and nurses. Overall, the outbreak has killed 1,400 people, virtually all of them in the Hubei province. Since China changed the way it counts the sick, the number of cases nearly doubled this week. And Japan is now reporting its first death, but some of the elderly passengers on that cruise ship are being allowed to disembark for the first time since it was quarantined 2 weeks ago. Joining us now via Skype to discuss this deadly outbreak is Claudia Rosett, Foreign Policy Fellow at the Independent Women's Forum. Claudia, thanks for joining us right now. Claudia, what do you think of China's...
Thank you.
What do you think of China's handling of this deadly outbreak so far?
It's been monstrous. I mean, toward the people of China especially. This is all about protecting the ruling Communist Party of China, not really about taking care of the people of China, certainly not about us.
Claudia, has the country's communist structured political system, has it hampered an effective response to the virus?
Yes, I mean, there's no free speech in China. They're censoring, arresting, harassing, disappearing people who criticize how they're handling this. And one of the reasons it reached the proportions it's now got is that when a young doctor tried to warn his colleagues in late December, China and forced him to sign a document saying he was rumor mongering and wouldn't do it anymore. And that's the kind of, there's just a desperate lack of transparency in what's really going on. That's terrible.
Claudia, thank you so much. We're having a little bit of audio issues, but we thank you for your time. Claudia Rosett, Foreign Policy Fellow at the Independent Women's Forum. Thanks again.